Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to look up a certification number for a PSA card. This could be a Pokemon card, it could be a baseball card, Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, whatever you want. I'm going to show you how to look up the number and verify that it's legit. Okay, so here we have a bunch of different PSA Pokemon cards. I only do Pokemon, but these could be sports cards or whatever. Here's what the label is going to look like. So this is a 1999 Pokemon Charizard Holo. This is a PSA 4. And then this is the certification number right there. So if you have the app, you could technically scan this barcode, I believe. But what we want to do is come to psacard.com. You could come to this on your computer or on your mobile device in the browser. And right on the home screen, you want to scroll down until you see this right here. PSA and PSA DNA Cert Verification. So this right here is the certification number. So we want to put that number in here. 28832-833. So there's the number. There's the number on the card. And we just want to click verify. And then it's going to bring up the actual card information here. So if we scroll down, it's going to say 1999 Pokemon game Charizard Holo. And all of this information should match this information here. And this is very important, especially for higher end cards, things like that. You know, $1,000 card, you definitely want to check this number. Make sure it matches with the website to ensure that you're getting something legit. Because people can't take these and manipulate them. They could potentially take the card out, put in a fake one, or put in something different. So you want to know what you're buying, you want to understand this stuff so you don't get taken advantage of. But for the most part, these cases are super hard to crack. You would be able to tell if there was something wrong with it, something messed up. It's just always a good practice to check it, especially when you're buying higher end cards. But there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.